Hey guys, it's Tony. DogeCoin absolutely fucking blasting off, dude. Almost hitting 5 cents. But this is basically, don't fucking sell. I'm up $11,000 right now. I'm kind of regretting selling this, selling my $8,800 to stay liquid. I know that was a bad mistake on my part. I probably should have just sold in the morning. I didn't really think about it, right? But hold, keep fucking buying. More than likely, we can hit 5 cents today. And guess what? If this keeps fucking going, we can maybe even hit $1 by the end of the fucking week, dude. All the comments basically saying like, oh, you know what, don't buy into Doggy because if it hits $1, that's $1 trillion valuation. Bro, who the fuck gives a shit about valuation anymore, dude? The stock market is fucking rigged. All the fucking companies are fucking rigged. You can't make good money anywhere else. Throw it all into fucking crypto or Doggy or whatever, do what you want. It's your money, right? But as of right now, the only thing that I can see that's moving is fucking DogeCoin, dude. And I'm not selling this shit fucking never until this shit hits like a fucking $1 or it hits $10 fucking, dude. Fuck valuations, fuck the stock market, fuck the funds, dude. Fuck Robinhood, dude. Fuck all that shit. I'm sticking with Doggy for